The Lufeiya White Gaming Desk stands out with its integrated power strip that includes 2 power outlets and 2 USB ports, ensuring all your devices stay charged and ready. Enhance your gaming experience with the desk's built-in RGB LED light strips, offering 7 adjustable colors and multiple modes to create the perfect ambiance. With a sturdy monitor stand, this desk allows you to position 2 monitors at eye level, promoting better posture and spinal health during long hours of work or play. Ample storage is a key feature of this desk, providing 6 fabric drawers and 6 open shelves, along with a side storage bag and 2 iron hooks for organizing your essentials. Assembling the desk is a breeze thanks to the detailed instruction manual and included tools, ensuring you can set it up quickly without additional equipment. The desk is backed by professional customer service, ready to assist with any quality issues, ensuring your investment is protected and your satisfaction guaranteed.